Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a little bit of a room tour. So my room isn't completely done yet, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what I have so far. It is so different from when I first moved in here. So we painted every room in this place, but yeah, this room is 100% different than it was before we moved in. But I will show you a little before picture because I did take a picture of it how it was before. So like when the other person was living in here. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, but I have a couple things I need to hang, a shelf I need to put in, but I will show you guys kind of that. And yeah, I want to show you guys my room. I'm also going to show you my porch because I'm really proud of that too, and it is just looking really good right now with all my plants and stuff that I have on my porch. But yeah, I have a little area where I always hang my hammock and just chill there, and yeah, I really love just laying out there underneath the stars. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my room. Okay, so you come into my room and this is what you see. I don't have curtains yet. That's another thing. I don't even really want curtains, but I'm gonna need them, I guess, eventually. So as soon as you go to the right, there's my little nightstand, and I got this from IKEA. It's the MALM. What's it called? I don't know. It's like that set of furniture, and they're really, really nice quality drawers and stuff. So in this drawer, I just have, my Beats pill, some lotion, essential oils, things like that. And then in this one is just some chargers, this is a little massage thing. I don't even really use it, but yeah, and then some scent stuff, and these I'm going to use to put up a little shelf. And yeah, so that's this. Oh, this is a little air purifying plant. I just got it the other day. The pot I got from the dollar store, and I think it's so cute. It goes with this plant so well, and it says that this helps purify the air. And yeah, this I also got from the dollar store. And this I got from this candle company. This is my bed. I got the the duvet and the duvet cover from Bouclair. Yeah, and then I got this pillow actually from my team leader where I used to work. And then, so this is also the MALM bed frame. These are all pull-out drawers here. So this is just my towels and stuff because I have a really tiny apartment. We don't have really storage anywhere. And then in here I just have extra blankets and things like that. So then coming over here, so this is obviously my windowsill, and I keep a little, what are those things called? You put essential oils in them. Oh, yeah. And then here is my mirror. I really love this mirror. I got it from, okay, look at the detailing in that. I just love it. It just goes with my room so good. I got it from Marshall's. Yeah, it was Marshall's. And then over here I have a little bench, and this is a storage bench. So like I said, my apartment's really tiny. Okay, wait, I'm jumping ahead. Okay, so let's go back to the bed. Okay, so this is another storage thing. I have 4 huge, I'll show you how huge they are. I have 4 huge pull-out things, so if you pull them all the way out, this is how huge they are. This is just my pants and stuff mostly, and then some rompers and everything. Ow, frick, I clommed myself. I pinched my finger. That's what it is in German. And then these are mostly my shorts, a beach towel, shirt, random thing I still need to put in the kitchen, make room for that. Over here is my little getting ready area, even though I haven't even got ready here yet. I don't wear makeup often, but it's just a little desk area that I can use for writing or whatever. And I have no storage in my house, so this is a storage bench. So I basically just store extra blankets, sheets, a little bit of snacks in there, my hammock because I take it inside for night. And yeah, so I have some snacks and stuff in there, some random stuff that I need to store in there. And then, like I said, this I use as a desk as well. But yeah, this is just like a little thing that I got. This I got from Marshalls. So I just keep like little things in here. So these are like my mini perfumes, like little lip tap and like face stuff, some nail polish. I literally have 2 nail polishes, and then like a necklace in there, deodorant and a tape measure because I don't have a tape measure and I need to measure if stuff will fit, and then some random stuff in there like a nail clipper. I have this candle that I got from IBA. I don't know if that's like everywhere, but yeah, it's mango coconut and it literally smells so good. It's like one of these huge 3 ones. I haven't lit it yet, but it smells so good even if you open the lid. And then this I also got from Marshalls. So I thought it was super cute and it matches that. Like if you can see the buttons and stuff, like they match this. So I just store some rings in there, some like random necklaces and anklets and stuff. And then in here I have like some more necklaces, earrings. And then in here I have some more random like jewelry. Over here I have my oil lamp in the back. I got that from my parents. I really like it, and if the hydro goes out, I have a light source, so that's really nice. And then this I also got from my team leader. It's like one of those scent stick things. I don't know what they're called. I don't know where she got that, but I really like that as well. It really goes with my room. And then I have 2 perfumes here, my Viva La Juicy and my Viva La Juicy Gold. Those are like my favorite ones, so I have them out. And I think the bottles and everything look so good, so yeah. Anyway, oh, and then I have a little drawer in my desk here, and that's just where I keep some notebooks. So I have my recipe book there. This is just a little bag thing. And then I have another notebook, my Spanish book, and yeah. I forgot to say, I got the desk from Wayfair. Yeah, and I said I got those 2 from Marshalls. Yeah. Okay, so the desk is from Wayfair, and I built it myself. It was like really easy. I just had to put the legs on, and they had all the tools to build it themselves. And I am really impressed with the quality from there in IKEA. So next, there's my little windowsill. But yeah, so this is another dresser I got from IKEA. It's, again, the MALM. I really love this style. So in here, I just have, like, some socks and bras, things like that. And then, like, here I have my tank tops. I'm, like, very OCD, so I roll everything up. And it, like, really helps with, like, storage-wise. And these are my t-shirts. And then, like, my bathing suits. I have, like, a million bathing suits. That's not even, like, half of them. Then these are just like random t-shirts, crop tops, long sleeves, and yeah, so that's that. And then this plant here is a jade, and I thought it's really cute. Again, I got the pot from the dollar store. Literally, they have such good like pots there and stuff, like for so cheap. And yeah, I really like this plant. I just got it yesterday and potted it in there. And then I have this I got from my parents years ago for Christmas, and I just thought it went there pretty well. And I have another candle. I don't know where I got that, but I just bought it at a random place. It's like vanilla. I really love anything vanilla, coconut, like tropical or vanilla smelling. And yeah, and then I have this little thing. It says it's the little things in life, and I might end up hanging that as well, but I'm not all the way sure. Oh, this is my closet. So there's a bunch of storage up there. There's like, the shelf goes like pretty far back. So behind here, there's even more, but here's just like my winter stuff. And like, yeah, some stuff that I store back there. I have stuff stored in there. And yeah, these are all my sweaters. And then I have a shelf behind here. So this stores like all my like random stuff. So like some of my tereré stuff, my mate stuff, like all that kind of stuff. Just a bunch of random stuff that I store here. That was that side. And then to the right, like I have a huge walk-in closet, and I'm so thankful for that because otherwise my room would look pretty cluttered. So right now I have this suitcase here, but I'm gonna build a shelf right up there so that I can put my suitcase on there and my bag. I have this Bristol board because I'm gonna be doing a project for something in my room. So then over here, I have my shoe shelf. So these are shoes I don't really wear often. The ones I wear often are out in my car, or like I have a pair of sandals there. But yeah, that shoe shelf I think I got from Canadian Tire. And then I have this laundry basket from Walmart. It's like the the separating thing. And I really like it. It's like really good quality and it doesn't look ugly. And yeah, it's like really nice. So then back here I have the clothes that I don't wear as often, you know, like my surf shirt, my robe that I wish I would have never bought because I don't wear robes. Yeah, my dress, things like that, or my dress is. So then it looks like that is it, but really behind here, I actually store some more stuff. So I have a lock cabinet with some stuff. I know it looks like Narnia back here probably, but yeah, so there's like that electrical panel thing. But yeah, I have storage in my lock cabinet. It's just like random paperwork that I need to keep. And then back here is like some random food stuff. But yeah, and a thermo, like extra thermos and stuff like that. I really like though how it looks kind of put together, and when I get this shelf up there, I'll be able to store like my suitcase up there as well, and it just looks very like good for the space that I have. There's our door. There's this little thing beside our door that we can put plants on, or like whatever. Then we have a thing here and our garbage can. I want to put that underneath of our stairs, but we'll see if we do that. Yeah, and then these are my tomato plants right here. They're doing pretty good. I have a couple of cherry tomatoes on here already, unless somebody ate them. Oh, where did they go? Oh, there they are. Okay. There they are. My roommate planted a little bit of mint in there. It's really high though, so we'll see if that stays. These are my two little pepper plants. That's my rosemary. This is another cherry tomato plant. And yeah, there's just some random stuff my roommate shoved in there. And then she has some cilantro up here and some lettuce, and I'm not sure what this is, but yeah. So then this side I do not like. That is all trash that I want to get rid of, but we'll see. And then we have some extra dirt down there, some recycling bins right there. It works great here because there's like a little roof, so there doesn't get water in there. So then there's this little gate thing, and you come out, and this is my little jungle area. I'll show you how it looks with my hammock setup, but yeah. So I have this little pot of basil here. Oh, there's like this kind of privacy fence thing. Yeah, but anyway, that's my basil. And then this is my mint. It is doing so good, and it looked better before, but I literally just picked so much mint off of there. Yeah, so that's my mint, and then I have another patch of basil here because I use so much basil. And I also still have a garden at my parents' house that I have stuff. And then this is, what is it called? I forget what it is, but it's some kind of balm. No, I forget, but it turns into a tea after it's dried up. So yeah, I just really think it looks good. Yeah, and then we have our stairs going down. And yeah, you come up to the stairs. This is what it looks like. Yeah, and then there's the, oh wait, I forgot. I have hanging on the side here my oregano. It's doing so good. It kind of, how do I say this? In German, it's called Ronks. I forget what it is. Like it kind of vines along and it like gets big very fast. So yeah, that's doing really good there. Yeah, so then when you come back over, yeah, this is what it looks like. That's where I hang up my hammock, from this end to that end, and it works great. It's kind of low, but like our stairs are high, so it's nice. I actually just painted this painting too, and it's gonna go up. I just have it sitting on here for right now, but it's gonna go up behind my bed. It'll like probably hang right there. And yeah, I'm pretty proud because it's like the first painting I've really ever painted, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. I plan on doing a lot more, so like I'm super excited. And it looks like it has a shadow now because of the plant, but it doesn't. Yeah, basically that's what it looks like. And I'm really excited to paint more. But yeah, for now I'm just keeping it here because I haven't been able to hang it up yet, and I literally just painted it, so. Alright, so that is my room. I'm really happy with how it is, but like I said, I have a couple of things that I still need to do, but I'm not in a huge rush just because I have so much time now to work on it and just add stuff here and there. But yeah, eventually I will do a full apartment tour and show you guys the rest of the place. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!